Farming has always been about soil, weather, and hard work. But in 2025, there's another factor shaping agriculture: technology. From GPS-guided tractors to AI-powered sprayers, from connected drones to smart irrigation systems, the modern farm is more digital than ever before. And while this transformation brings efficiency, higher yields, and precision management, it also opens the door to a new and growing threat: cyberattacks. The agriculture industry is now ranked as the 7th most targeted industry in the United States for cybercrime. That means hackers are actively looking for ways into farm systems, and they're finding them. The reality is sobering. Farmers aren't just dealing with unpredictable weather or fluctuating crop prices. They're now on the front lines of digital warfare. Cybersecurity experts describe the risk in 2 dimensions: data security and technology security. On one side, you have the vulnerability of farm data, financial records, yield histories, equipment diagnostics, and personal information. On the other side, you have the very tools that run the farm: connected tractors, smart sensors, and automated sprayers that can be manipulated if compromised. Imagine hackers gaining access to a see and spray machine and programming it to misapply herbicides, or breaking into irrigation systems to waste water at critical times. These aren't hypothetical scenarios. They're risks farmers face right now. And the threat isn't just from criminal gangs looking for ransom money. Experts warn that foreign adversaries are actively probing U.S. infrastructure, including agriculture. Countries like China, Russia, and Iran have been accused of using backdoors in consumer and commercial technology, everything from drones to home Wi-Fi systems, as entry points into larger networks. A drone flying over a field might look innocent, but if the software inside it is compromised, it could also serve as a spy tool or a digital key into farm networks. For years, many in rural America relied on what security professionals call security through obscurity. The idea was simple: farms are isolated, tucked away in the countryside, so who would bother targeting them? But in a connected world, geography no longer matters. The moment a farmer uses a smartphone to check irrigation from a coffee shop's public Wi-Fi or logs into a bank account on an unsecured device, that farm becomes a potential target. Smart farming technologies have changed everything. Autonomous tractors navigate fields on their own. AI sprayers make pinpoint decisions in real time. Drones monitor acres of crops with precision. But each one of these tools also represents a potential vulnerability. Hackers don't have to physically step foot on the land to cause damage. They just need access to the network. So what can farmers do? The good news is that while the threats are complex, the defenses don't have to be. Cybersecurity, at its core, is about discipline and good hygiene. Simple steps make a massive difference. Using strong, unique passwords across accounts and enabling multi-factor authentication can reduce the risk of an attack by up to 80%. Changing passwords regularly, especially after traveling abroad, adds another layer of protection. Device security is equally important. Phones, tablets, and laptops should be locked with a PIN, password, or biometric scan. Bluetooth should be turned off when not in use. Devices should be shut down and restarted weekly. These small habits can break malicious processes that try to run unnoticed in the background. Software updates also matter. Every update, whether for a phone, a drone, or a tractor's onboard system, contains critical security patches. Skipping updates is like leaving your front door unlocked. And when installing new apps, only trusted sources should be used. The wrong download can open the farm's entire digital ecosystem to an attacker. Connectivity itself is another risk area. Public Wi-Fi is dangerous, especially when used for sensitive tasks like banking or controlling equipment. Farmers are encouraged to segment their home and farm networks so that personal devices, family computers, and critical farm systems are not all exposed on the same channel. Adding a VPN, or virtual private network, provides another shield against prying eyes. At the end of the day, farmers already understand the value of prevention. You lock up the barn at night, you service your equipment before planting season, you install fences to protect your land. Cybersecurity is no different. Think of strong passwords, regular updates, and secure connections as digital locks, gates, and fences for your farm. The threat is real, but so is the solution. Agriculture is the backbone of our nation, and protecting it means protecting not just crops, but communities, families, and food security itself. Cyber attacks on farms aren't just about stealing data. They can disrupt supply chains, impact markets, and weaken national security. Farming has always been about resilience. Today, resilience means embracing cybersecurity as part of the job. With a few smart practices, farmers can reduce their risks, defend their livelihoods, and continue feeding the world with confidence in a digital age.